over her left cheek. There you go.
No, nag-kiss. Ayun na, tingnan mo.
And since you're a good sport, how about a rocky shot? Full ice slipper. Open your mouth. Rocky! Alright, how about the roller coaster Rocky? Yes! Thank you so much, sir. Go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you so much, sir. By the way, guys, we would like to invite all of you to a photo encounter with our Sina friends at Marine Life Habitat, where you can get this, a flipper shake, or a walkie shot just like that. If you are interested, all you have to do is to sign up with our friendly photographer right there, wear a white shirt at your exit area, grab this opportunity right after the show. So guys, would you like to see a dance number from our CI friends? Hey
Yay!
guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see the dance?
Yay!
Well, hear it, let's go!
Wow!
So high five for you guys. Alright, come on, Peters. Move it!
Oh! Nasayaw siya na yun. Miss Kay.
Alright, clap your hands, everybody, come on now! Let's sit back here. Show them the side by side.
Go.
Paper dancing. Into the water, twisting and turning. Around the world we go, round and round. Come on, take her to it. Show them the boogie boogie. Shake it, bum bum, shake it, bum bum. One more time, Isis. Show them the choo-choo grading. Choo-choo. Nice one, Isis. And our favorite part, the booty shaking. Shake those booties. Come on, take her shaking. Yeah. Keep on rolling. Alright, now ladies, show them what you got.
Hello, is that the mo? La, 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 la. Dulas. Natin naman isa, mag-dive yun siya.
Ready? Let's go!